Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in another challenge. In this case is the Heidi Sonboul monthly DIY challenge. This time there is no theme. We can create whatever we want to with whatever we want to. And I'm going to leave Heidi's channel link in the description box. Visit her channel, please, 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 please. She's amazing. She's amazing as a crafter and amazing as a person. And also I will leave the link to the playlist with all the videos that are participating in this challenge this month. So please watch the videos after watching this one. Okay, I'm going to make two DIYs really quick. This one is one I have already started, and I thought I'm going to finish it on camera for you to see what you can do with things you have around. And this was a plate that I had. It came with some, I don't remember, I think it's some of those orbs. I don't remember, I don't want to lie. I have had it for many years, and this was the original color. So on this side, so I spray painted it white with Rust-Oleum matte paint, sorry. And I started working on it with these self-adhesive stencils from the Dollar Tree. This feather comes here. I cut it out to work. It's easy to work with just this part. And this one that comes adhered to this paper belongs to this kit. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to finish this. As you can see, you can adhere it. The advantage is that there is no leaking. You don't, when you remove the sticker, because I'm using a marker mainly, maybe with paint. I've never used them with paint. I like using markers. And you remove it and the design is perfect, as you can see here. So I'm going to have another leaf here, and I'm going to finish this. Now it's just the moment of the reveal, so I'm going to remove both stencils. You see? They work really, really great. Let me remove this one. And here you have it. I really love these stencils because you can reuse them, and the fact that they are self-adhesive made the task of painting so easy. They don't move, there are no leaks, they are really, really wonderful, and just $1 each at Dollar Tree. So well, this is the first project, it's just finished. And I really love how it looks. I don't think I'm going to use it on a shelf like this. I think I'm going to use it standing against a wall or on a shelf, but standing with an easel or something like that, because I really like how it looks. And using a marker is a great advantage. Makes it really easy. Okay, let's move on to the second project. What I have here This was the back side of a frame from Dollar Tree. It had the stand, but I removed it a long time ago because I didn't need it, and now I would have needed it, so I had to look for another way to keep it standing, and I'm going to show you. I had this back part of the frame, as I said, from Dollar Tree, and I wanted to use this side because I like the texture. I also had this stand. As you can see, I also removed the stand from behind. It is from Dollar Tree also. It was to be used this way. It had a clip like this one. This is not the original one. I removed the original one because I have some other thing in mind, and then this stood there in my stash for months and months. I still have the back side of the kind of, I don't know, the thingy that held the clip in place, but I want to use it this way because I want to add this picture here. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I wanted to add some border to the frame, to the back of the frame, so I started adding twine, and I'm going to add the last part for you to see. It goes really fast, so I have to add it in parts, not the whole twine at the time. Okay. You know, I love my finger protectors, my silicone finger protectors, and now you can find them at Dollar Tree, as I said many times. I bought them from China, but you can find them at Dollar Tree right now, so it's great. Okay, then I'm going to place this piece here. I'm going to use the hot glue, the glue gun, but I would probably have to add, as I always say, E6000. I love E6000, but I want to make things quickly on camera, so I'm going to add it with hot glue for now. Okay, let's do this. Okay. I need to cover this hole, so I made 2 knots with twine. I'm going to place one here, like so. And another one here. I'm kind of eyeballing. Yeah, that's right. So now I'm going to add the clip, also with hot glue, but it's metal, so I'm sure that I will have to reinforce it with E6000 later. So I'm going to add it. Okay, I'm going to add it here. And then, as I want this to stand by itself. I had to look for something in my stash, and I found this backside of another Dollar Tree frame that is kind of the same size. So I'm going to add it to the back. I have to hurry up because it's going fast. Okay, and voila, we have our frame, or how do you call it? I don't know if it has a name when you use something like this, that you place a picture or a note or whatever with a clip. It's not a frame, but well, you know what I mean, you know what it is, and it's done. So now I can stand it like so, and I'm going to add the picture. I love this kind of things that allows me to change the pictures, or sometimes I place notes with some quotes that I like, and motivational quotes, you know. Sometimes for Christmas or for Thanksgiving I place something that is matching the season that we are celebrating. So this is it. Very quick, very quick, and with things I have around the home. Again, thank you to Heidi for hosting this monthly challenge that I love, and please visit her channel and visit the playlist and watch the videos and leave some comments and some love. That helps us to grow our channels and encourage us to go on creating, which is our passion and our therapy. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hope to see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.